Hey guys, Mike from 24 Hour Solar here. Just want to talk you through on how to get your device connected to Wi-Fi if you're standing in front of it or if you're using the Venus. So we're basically, Venus device is an Octo. If you're logging into one of the new multis, the GXs with the built-in Wi-Fi. Now if you're standing in front of the color control, this is going to be the center button. If you're you're logged in through a GX device, you'll double click on the enter button there. When it comes down to settings, using your arrows on the color control, it's going to be the bottom of the circle, and you'll hit your center button, where on here we'll use the space bar to get in there. So it's going to come down all the way down to Wi-Fi down the bottom here. There we go. Okay, so you come in here, you find your network, you click on it, and you put your password in. So once you put your password in, it'll be connected. Now I want to show you something that's highly recommended. Now if the system is in a situation where the Wi-Fi, or you connected, say for example you might be using just a dongle like a SIM card, GSM data card. If the customer wants permanent connected internet, I highly recommend go to this next feature. So what we'll do, we'll go back here. If it's not always connected to the internet, I recommend don't turn this on. But basically, just go back up here to Verium Online Portal. And just come down to find reboot device when no contact. So if you tick that. So what will happen, you can change the time. So you come down here for the delay. So if the Wi-Fi drops out, which it does from time to time, the system will reboot itself to make sure it gets reconnected to the internet. So, you can basically put it, so if for 10 minutes it's dropped out and the system won't go back online, well the internet's not there, the system will reboot itself to find the internet. If you don't do this, what will happen is just when the customer's Wi-Fi drops out, or your Wi-Fi drops out, it just will not find it again. You have to go back in and manually redo it. It's a really good feature just to make sure that when the Wi-Fi does drop out, the system will automatically reconnect itself back to the Wi-Fi. So you'll get all your data, you won't lose any data or anything like that. So that's basically for getting your Wi-Fi connected. And like I said, if it's on a situation where it is not permanently connected, I don't recommend turn that on because it'll constantly reboot itself to try and find the Wi-Fi network. So appreciate watching, guys. Any questions, just comment and post below. If there's anything else we can help you out with. Thank you and have a great day.